guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. New and latest beautiful idea and beautiful design style looks for girls and women. Here are a few crochet handbag design ideas to inspire your creativity and boho, shoulder bag, French and unique stitch pattern to achieve a boho style shoulder bag and earthy tones or different colors work well for this design. Crochet stylish shapers handbags for evening or special occasion. Add a button or zipper closer for security and decorate it with embellishment like different style and different like coins and craft a disassemble market bag with an open work. Design this are not only practical but also eco-friendly looks. Let style is perfect for everyday use. Use a soft yarn to achieve the hobo bag style design. Take inspiration from vintage design and crochet retro style handbags with a top handle. Add a vintage style or buttons for an authentic look. So I hope you like it. Guys, please keep sharing, watching my video. Take care.